Hi there guys, in today's video with VinylCut we'll be looking at the options group, ungroup, break apart and merge. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Guys will notice we've got quite a variety of different software we do cover and we upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. We head back in the program here. Now to group things and ungroup them is quite a handy tool, because for instance like this flower, because it's grouped I can move it as one instead of moving the inside and the actual petals and then the stem individually. If we go to our layers panel here, we can see the flower has got a little folder called a G. That means it's grouped. We open that, we can see the stem, and then there is the flower also in its own group on its individual layers. So if we select the stem, then you'll see you can move the stem individually. But now instead of navigating into your layers panel to ungroup it, if you have your flower selected, there's two ways you can do that. You can either right click it and then you'll navigate to ungroup, or what you can do is you click on object on top and then we navigate down to ungroup. Now if we ungroup it, like we see the flower is still a group of itself, so you can do the same, right click, ungroup, and now the whole flower is in individual parts. So now to move it all together, you unfortunately have to make a selection box over all of it and then move it. To group it again, we can either right click and we navigate down to group, or we go on top here to object, navigate to group, and the shortcut for that is Control G. To ungroup, Control Shift G. We click group. Now on our right layer we can see again on our layers panel it is a group, but this time under the group all the individual parts will be in one group, not the flower head and then the stem, because we've grouped them together. Now when it comes to breaking apart and merging, now over here we've got, let's say text, so we can edit this, we can change things if we want. Then if we same as before, if we right click we can go to break apart or merge, or we can go on the object on top, then we navigate to break apart or merge. Controls are Control B, Control Shift B for merge. Now keep in mind this is a bit more of a destructive method of editing. So let me just show you an example. So let's say we take this text, we right click, we go break apart. Now we'll see anywhere where there was holes in the text, it will turn it into a shape. Which so that was actually a cutout of the shapes. And now in the folder we can see here's all the shapes individually. Now if we merge this together again, so we right click and we say merge, now all those shapes has made cutouts, but as you can notice it is no longer text, so we can no longer edit this with the text editor. So it's a bit more of a destructive way, but it's also a bit more of a finalized way of doing it. Otherwise, yes, that is basics on those features. And then if we just head to our website quick, if you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you'll find this video and more videos like this. And we have a variety of software we cover, like I mentioned, and also we have a search option if you're looking for something specific. If you don't find what you're looking for, we have this nice little feature, request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching and cheers.